Hey everyone, welcome back to the Smart Investor. So you've probably heard people talking about investing in real estate without buying a house, and you're like, how? Well, that's where real estate investment trusts come in. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what real estate investment trusts are, how they work, and whether or not you should invest in them. Let's dive in. A real estate investment trust is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estate. Think shopping malls, apartment complexes, data centers, hospitals, even cell towers. When you invest in a real estate investment trust, you're buying a share of that company just like you would with a stock. That means you get a cut of the income it makes, usually in the form of dividends. Real estate investment trusts make money by collecting rent or lease payments from tenants. By law, they're required to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. That's why they are known for offering high dividend payouts. There are two main types of real estate investment trusts. 1. Equity real estate investment trusts. These own and manage properties. 2. Mortgage real estate investment trusts. These lend money to real estate developers or invest in mortgage-backed securities. Here's why real estate investment trusts are attractive to investors, especially beginners. 1. Diversification. You get real estate exposure without owning property. 2. Liquidity. Unlike actual real estate, they can be bought, checked, sold instantly on stock markets. 3. Passive income. They pay out regular dividends, often higher than average stocks. 4. Low barrier to entry. You can invest with as little as $10 to $100. Real estate investment trusts are a great way to get into real estate without the headaches of being a landlord. They're perfect for passive income and portfolio diversification. But as with any investment, do your homework, understand the risks, and invest based on your goals. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments. Are real estate investment trusts part of your investment plan?